Very awesome Monday trade, 11:31 in the morning, and we are already done. Market bouncing off zones, levels, and we jumped in, understanding that market was going to at least reach that main entry level and bounce back. And guess what happened? All I'm gonna tell you is 3 minutes, 18 and a half points, 1 2 3, and be done. Very important, the having a trading plan and trading goal, and you're gonna see why in this video. Here to the right, this happened yesterday. We caught this kingfish on Friday, and then we got these two really awesome sleeper lobsters. I went to a fish store here for a fisherman, and he told me, no, I don't have any lobsters. All I have are these little sleeper lobsters, which you usually don't see because they are so ugly and they are so good that usually fishermen keep them to themselves. But he was kind enough to sell me 2 of these. It was really awesome. And we also got 2 sea urchins to make a pasta sauce with the lobsters, the kingfish, and the sea urchin for the sauce. Really awesome, very spectacular, really nice trade. I hope you enjoy it, and let me know what you guess I did. Did I buy? Did I sold after the rebound? Check out the video and enjoy it. Hello everyone, welcome to Van Life Day Traders. Ra Saint here with Legacy Futures Trading Group. Today is Monday, April 28th, 2025. It's 9:41 in the morning Eastern Standard Time, and we are here trading the NASDAQ Futures June 2025 contract. This is a 15-minute chart, and we have a 1-hour chart to the right, always to the right. All right, so we have here, let's start analyzing the market. We have a big support zone here. Up, market bouncing off that support zone. 1 2 3, boom. And we have a big resistance zone here. Up, so plenty of room from zone to zone. We have 253 points. Obviously we're not gonna trade from zone to zone. This just establishes kind of the risks, potential rewards. We have a main entry level here. Look how market reacted once, twice. Here they took a step back, and then boom, they're pushing to the upside. We have a minor entry level here, which should change pretty soon. Minor entry level. We have it right. Okay. Now we have all the elements to look for a potential trade. I am looking for a buy setup. Let me put this clear here, but you should know, this is not financial advice. But this is just how I analyze the market. Our market is pushing. Let's see what I don't like right now is the timing. Market opened 15 minutes, almost 15 minutes ago. sorry, and they did a big push to the downside, and then now they're making a big push to the upside. I would love to see another candle before making any decision. I would like to see another minor entry level somewhere else, probably around above the main entry level. And okay, here's the thing. Let me erase this. If I buy right now, okay, let's say I'm buying the candle breakout high. We have all of this risk, and we have only this potential reward. So for those of you that analyze risk reward, there's a very, very dangerous red zone here, which market can come back anytime. Is it gonna do that? I don't know. I don't think it's gonna retrace, but I cannot trade with what I think or I don't think. I have to go with the price action that I know of the market. And right now market could just keep on going towards that resistance zone, and it and that buy setup is done. And we didn't took any profits. If that's what's gonna happen, if that happens, and perhaps it will. But I have a very strict set of rules, and you know what happens when I break my rules, okay? So I'm gonna wait for another minor entry level. I need to wait for some data still, and more than probably I think they're gonna keep on pushing, but I would like to see a retracement and then a continuation. I don't think they're gonna retrace. I don't see it as a possibility right now. So if market keeps pushing to the upside, then well, I missed the opportunity. The retracement was right here at the opening, pop, and then push. We have a main entry level. Right now price is way too far from entry levels, and that it's just, I don't enter trades. Well, I don't like entering trades after an entry level, meaning I like to buy or sell at the level or better pricing. And right now, I mean, it's just, there's too much risk, okay? Because we never know when market is gonna turn around. They might reach that resistance zone, they might not. Eventually they will, but you know, markets go up and down, and we don't want to get caught in a small bearish move because market is being so volatile. Anyway, that's the analysis for now. Let's pause this, wait, and we'll be back as soon as something happens, or before, hopefully before something happens. Alrighty, we are back. 10 o'clock in the morning Eastern Standard Time, and exactly what I was afraid of. Sorry. Market pushed to the upside, and then boom, it fell really hard, took all these winnings or profits, and now they might retest this big support zone, and let's see if they come back to that main entry level. I would love to buy if market pushes to the upside before that main entry level, or here is what I am looking for right now. We have a higher high. We have a higher high. We have right now a lower low. Well, we don't have a lower low yet. Market could continue to the downside. Let me move this here. We know it's not financial advice. I need to wait for market to do whatever it's gonna do to the downside, and then let me erase this. Pop, pop, pop. Right now we have all the zones, we have all the levels. New minor entry level is this one. Look how market is reacting around that level. Pop, 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 pop. So now we have the data and we can say that's the minor level. Perhaps around, I'm gonna give this about an hour, maybe around 11. I would love to see a consolidation in this area, in this zone. Okay, let's say that market comes here, pop, and then pop, and only after that consolidation, if it happens, then we can have a better idea or a high probability trade. Okay, either to the upside, pop, and we have all these of potential profit, or to the downside and we have all of this potential profit. So until then, nothing to do here, nothing to see. So I'm just gonna keep doing stuff around here, and well, if that consolidation happens, then we can be ready to take a trade. If not, it's okay, no problem. No pasa nada, like I like to say. 10:44 in the morning, Eastern Standard Time. Market doing exactly what I was expected. I expect a lot of things from these guys. Yeah, very predictable. If you understand price action and what's going on, we have here a 15-minute chart. I'm gonna go down to 5-minute chart because that okay, reloaded. That consolidation I was talking about earlier in the 15-minute, we have it in 5 minutes. So we have here up. Okay, let's see if we can grab a few points after this small breakout pop. And the thing is, in lower time frames, okay, we have an end, we have an opening, we have a push to the downside, and I show you, okay, let's see. I was looking at the other chart. Okay, yeah, opening, go down. Down.
Order filled.
Okay, we are in 28. Looking for 20 to 25 points. And that's, let me see. We are in at 28.25 plus 20, that's 48.25. 48.25, 43.50. 43.50, 28, and 43, that's quantum? 15? I can. You're gonna have to trust me on this. All right, let's see that push above that main entry level, and it should be beautiful. There we go. Not looking to be a hero here. Son 12.50, son 30, 40. 40, that's gonna be my 25 points. At 40. Very close. Yeah, I shouldn't have a problem reaching that. Come on. Come on. Push, 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 push. Few more points. Few more points.
Target filled.
Catching, target filled. Okay, they were kind of hesitating at that main entry level, and you know what might happen when market reaches an entry level. Actually, I call them entry exit levels, but entry level it's shorter. So yeah, I didn't want to risk much here because that consolidation in 50 minutes hasn't happened yet. But 1 minute chart, let's see. Brr. Okay, let me. Come on, guys, where are you now? Pop. Okay. We had it. Do you see? Pop. Market bouncing up. This is a 1 minute chart, so you know what happens in 1 minute charts. I'm kind of going back to the basics per my trading plan and my trading goal. 3 minutes, 1, 2, 3. We have here NASDAQ buy setup. Pop. We have N3 two contracts at 19, 528, 50. Pop. We have target two contracts at 19, 5, 37, 75, and that's what 850 and 10, that's 3850 minus 75, that's 9 and a quarter. 9 and a quarter points up to. We have total trade, that's 1850 points, which equals 18 and 18, that's 36, 370 bucks. Pop. Why? Because ¿por qué? Because we know market gives 20 bucks per NASDAQ point. Pop. Really awesome trade, short trade, get in, get out, and be done. I have a trading plan, I have a trading goal. I was looking for a little bit more, maybe 20, 25 points. But you know what? That's the important thing. And I always say it. You probably say, right, you're going to keep talking about trading plan and trading goals. Yes, because that is very important. See the market? I was pretty confident that they were at least going to retest that main entry level. That's exactly what they did. They test the level and boom, bounce right back. Right now, if I would have gotten greedy, I would be losing right now, and I don't like that. So nobody likes losing. So anyway, 1, 2, 3, great job, great trade, and I'll see you again tomorrow. I hope you had an awesome weekend. We had a really awesome weekend. Fishing, we got some really weird, ugly looking, but very tasty lobsters. I'll show you that later. And we even got some sea urchins. We went not scuba diving, we went just snorkeling, and there were a lot of sea urchins. So a friend of mine grabbed 2 of them, and we put it in the really pasta sauce that I made yesterday. Anyway, yeah, stop talking and start doing other stuff. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you had an awesome weekend. Looking forward to going back to La Gatita. So yeah, I'll see you later. Remember, subscribe, share, like. You want to learn my trading strategy, you want to join our trading group. Questions, comments, complaints, jokes, you know what to do. Saint Legacy Futures Trading Group. You have a great one. Ka-ching!